Within the admin, general settings, production and order settings, you can configure how Business Hub looks and works for you and your team as you're processing orders. First, you have the production and order pending. This is going to be where we're going to essentially set our default production turnaround time and the days that we are available. The Business Hub and order display is really just where we're going to color code our orders as far as how close they are to being due before they're going to become late. The quote, order, and invoice settings is where we can configure what numbers we want to use initially for our invoices, how long a quote is valid for, and a few others. The Outsource Production feature allows you to outsource orders from one fulfillment center to another. So you could push orders to another Deco Network fulfillment center or have orders pushed to you to then fulfill. The customer order statuses are essentially the order statuses that are within Hub. Right here are the order statuses. Now, every time the order moves its way through Business Hub, its status is being updated. The customer can see the order status if they're logged into the site. They will see where the order is at as far as the order status goes. What the customer will not see and is 100% internal is the production status. Now, the production status is viewable right here. So I'm going to come over here, select screen printing, search. Now I have all my screen print orders. I can then sort by the production status, or I can update the orders all together or whatever I need to do and update their production status. So what is exactly a production status? A production status is typically used for a specific process, and it allows us to break down where the order is at in the production process instead of just being marked as complete or not complete. So screen printing, for example, first step, you need to create the film. Then the film is set up, then it goes to printing, then it's been printed, and then it's essentially being pieced together, getting ready to be shipped. So the production statuses, again, are specific for the different processes, and it'll allow you to better organize the orders and just know internally where things are at. What are commonly used with production statuses for larger shops are Business Hub barcodes. So what the Business Hub barcodes allow us to do is update the orders in Business Hub without having to use a mouse and a keyboard to come in here, search for an order, and then find it. Instead, when we download the selected worksheets, or I'll just select a order, and I'll download the worksheet. After you've downloaded the order worksheet, you can then scan the barcode at the top and it will pull up the order in Business Hub, and then we can apply what is known as an action. So the point of the Business Hub barcodes is first to make pulling up the order easier by scanning here. We are going to then apply an action. So what you're going to do if you're using Business Hub barcodes is you're going to create different barcode action sheets, and then you're going to tape them essentially down to different areas in the production space. That way, the person in the shipping department can scan the worksheet when it gets to them with the order, and then they can scan the action that says marked as shipped. So let's come over here and create a barcode action sheet. And up top here, you're going to see we have all of our customer order statuses. And then down here, we have all of our production statuses. So if I'm in the screen room For screen printing, I can scan the worksheet and I can say that the film is set up and it will be updated in the queue in Business Hub. Also down here, I can choose to assign the orders to certain team members to then produce. So for the larger shops, Business Hub barcodes can be a great tool. For some shops, it kind of complicates the production process more than it needs to. If you have any questions about how to set up Business Hub to best work for your business model, please do not hesitate contacting us. Thank you.